Click fraud protection is a feature of Advanced Ads Pro. There's two ways you can prevent your visitors from clicking on your ads too often. If you want to turn all your ads off for a visitor who clicks on them too much, you can go into the Advanced Ads settings in your WordPress backend. In the Pro menu, you can find the Click Fraud Protection feature. Once activated, you can set up the allowed number of clicks in what time frame and also for how long you want to hide all ads from this user. The second option is for specific ads. If you want certain ads to have this feature, head into the ad settings and scroll down to visitor conditions. The condition max ad clicks works similarly to the click fraud protection setting, the only difference being that it's only responsible for specific ads at a time. Also, our click fraud protection works in the browser, so there won't be any load on your servers. And that's it. This is our click fraud protection feature in Advanced Ads Pro. Advanced Ads, the ad management plugin for WordPress.